How to transfer data from old iPhone to new iPhone. Transferring your data from an old iPhone to a new one is easier than ever with Apple's built-in tools. And in this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to ensure that all your important data moves seamlessly to your new device. First, grab your old iPhone and open the Settings app. Once inside, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. After you've tapped on General, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. This will open a new menu where you'll find the Prepare for New iPhone option. Tap on this option, and then you'll see the Get Started button. Press it to proceed. Now, all you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions that will guide you through the process of transferring your data to the new iPhone. It's a straightforward process that ensures all your contacts, photos, apps, and other data are moved over to your new device without hassle. The setup process might take a little time depending on how much data you're transferring, but once it's done, your new iPhone will be ready to go with everything you need. And that's it. Your data is now successfully transferred, and your new iPhone is set up just the way you like it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.